What's up, family? I don't mean to make this like a Ty Lopez ad or anything, but check this out. I have $3,000 worth of products in my living room right now. I'm about to ship all of this stuff out. You see the stuff over there, yeah, guys, I got about $3,000 worth of profits in my living room right now, up under me right here as well. But that's not what I want to talk to you guys about right now. What I want to talk to you guys about is my book that just came in. I just ordered it, just got here from Amazon. Wait, it was up. There it is right there, guys. The Millionaire Success Habits. I read a little preview of this book online. I started to read it and I was instantly hooked, guys. You have to feed your brain, guys. This is why I'm capable to do stuff like this. Why I have $3,000 worth of products in my living room that's getting all shipped out today. I have a few workers coming to finish packing it for me. And yeah, guys, I'm telling you, books like this is what is making me succeed, guys. What's taking me to the next level. You guys need to go get this book. For any of you guys that want to read and really take your business to the next level, I'm gonna put a link in the description to go get this book, guys. Go get this book. Go read this book, Millionaire Success Habits. And yeah, it's going down, guys. For any of you guys that thought I was lying about what's going down this morning, look at the car. I mean, there's no room. Baby is back there like, what is going on, daddy? There's no room in the way back. There's no room behind me. And yeah, we got over maybe 200 items, 100 or 200 items. We got over like I think close to 200 items. Each of the items are gonna make us probably about how much? $22 profit on each. 20 something dollars profit on each of the items. That's what you do it for. Stay tuned because I may be doing a giveaway to some of the fam, you guys that have been subscribed, and for those of you who've been rocking with me and supporting the channel. Let's hit 10K, but I may just do a giveaway anyway. So let's do it, guys. Peace. I'll see you at the house. I mean, all of these are filled to the brim. Filled. All of these boxes are filled up to like can't even close some of them. I told you guys, hustle. Get that money. The money tower is taller than me. Yeah, man, I told you guys. The money tower is taller than me. Hey, babe, stand next to it, babe. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Yep. I mean, let's be real, guys. Hey, Nana. What's up, family? So the house is like a warehouse right now, guys. So many products. My daughter right here watching me put it all together. So many products about to get shipped out. So many things to label. 130 something labels. Each bringing in about $22 on average profit. So yeah, a lot to do, guys. You wanna make a lot of money, like a lot. This is what you gotta start doing stuff like this, guys. You guys gotta start spending some money and stacking up. I mean, every box is filled up. Every box. Products in every box. In every box. All the boxes. I even have to start filling some of those up because I'm running out of space. And we got boxes over here too. Right there. It's getting ridiculous. It looks like a freaking war zone in here. Oh my god. You guys want to know why I haven't been vlogging? I haven't vlogged in 2 days. This is why. Yeah, that's pretty much why. This has to go out tomorrow, guys. The last box actually couldn't even fit up there because it'll touch the roof. My house isn't big enough. The camera won't even get all the boxes in the lens, guys. I mean, I'm a 10x that though. This is how you guys need to be doing it though. I've been going so far in my journey to my goals and my success because of secrets that are in books like these, guys. You got to understand that millionaires, people that are in the position that you already want to be in, give you all the codes. All the cheat codes are right here in the book, guys. And for those of you that don't believe me, well, I mean, it is what it is. But for those of you that know what I'm talking about, then you guys know, guys. Go pick up that book. That's the Millionaire Success Habits, guys. I recommend you guys go get it. I just got mine from Amazon. I'll post a link in the description of where you can get this, guys. But to be honest, I seen an ad on it, and then I was like, you know, let me try this book. And no bull crap, guys. This is a winner, guys. So you guys need to read these. This secrets are in here, guys. This is why most people are getting where they want to be, and most people aren't. They're not following the steps that were already written for us, guys. So go get this book. This is a must-have. $3,000 worth of products, worth of profits, actually, in my living room right now, and it's just because of the mentality that I have from reading stuff like this, guys. Go get yours.